Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a King Kong skull. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our King Kong skull, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down. Then I'm going to bring this back here. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to kind of go down, and I'm going to bring this up and then down. Next, I'm going to bring this line around. I'm going to leave a little bit of space in between it and bring it up to here. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Just kind of bring this down, leave a little bit of space, and bring it up. Next, I'm going to bring this line out and in on each side, just kind of out and in. Then I'm just going to kind of connect this with a little bit of like a broken line. Next, starting up here, I'm going to bring this line out, down and in, and then same thing here, just kind of out. We're going to go down and kind of bring it in. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come down on each side. Next, I'm going to go down and then up here. And then same thing here, kind of down and then up here. Next, I'm going to bring this across, and then we're going to put two little lines that come down. I'm going to bring this line around on each side. And we're going to bring this line up and down on each side. Next, I'm going to kind of bring a line down on each side of here. Now, starting up here, we're going to draw kind of like top of the mouth. So we're going to bring this down on each side. See, it kind of curves in and out. Then we're going to bring this back in to kind of shape out that part of the mouth. Then we're going to go up and down to make the top part of the teeth. And then we're just going to make a couple more little bumps right across. Let's make a big fang right here, and then another one here. It just goes down and up. Then we're just going to make some lines go down and up here on each side, just to make like those front kind of flat teeth. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down for a bottom tooth, and then same thing here, just go up and down for one of those bottom teeth. Then we're just going to make about 3 or 4, we'll just do 3 here, kind of little bumps. Then we're just going to kind of go up, over, and down to make Kong's bottom teeth. And you can make them a little bit different. I made this one a little pointy. And bring this line up and in for the inside of the mouth. And then a little line down on each side to kind of form the jaw. Let's go out and in at the bottom of each teeth. Then we're going to bring this line down, over, and then up. Then I'm going to make some little bumps right underneath the teeth. Now, starting here, let's bring a line that's going to kind of come up and then in. And then same thing here, we're going to kind of come up and then in. We're going to bring this line right towards the middle, but we're going to leave a little space right there. I want to make a little bump here. And then 2 kind of broken lines coming down. Now we just want to add some of the different details on here. So I'm going to make some little lines kind of right around the eyes. And then a couple little broken lines in between them. I'm going to make a few little broken lines kind of right around the top here. And then a little broken line running down. We'll make a couple lines right around the eyes. And then some little lines that kind of come up and down right by the teeth. And then some little lines that kind of run right around there. We'll make some little lines in. And we'll kind of bring some little extra lines right around there. We'll make some more little lines here. And we'll make some more little lines kind of come up and down here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a King Kong skull. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.